IFH Group has been in Rock Falls since 1946 and started out as King's Welding. Jim King and his family started the business and kept it here in Rock Falls for all of these years. We manufacture hydraulic and fuel tanks for all types of industries. We have about 50 welders on the shop floor, 116 employees total. The rest are made up by support staff, clean and prep, and painting. We have a powder coating line here as well. Every tank is unique in their application, which makes our production process a little bit difficult because it's made to order. We take in orders from our customer. It could be anywhere from 5 tanks to 100 tank lots, and then we manufacture them and ship them to the customer.
IFH Group manufactures steel reservoirs, aluminum reservoirs, and stainless steel, anywhere from 12 gauge aluminized all the way up to half-inch grade 50. Our biggest tank that we produce is around 600 gallon.
We make about 75,000 hydraulic tanks a year. 80% of our process right now is robotically welded tanks. Some of the tanks that we manufacture just can't be robotically welded because of large scale, but that's our goal here at IFH, is to robotically weld as much as we can. We feel that we at IFH are part of the Miller team, and we hope that Miller feels that they're part of our team. Over the last 4.5 years, we've expanded our automation team and added about 4 Miller robotic welding cells to help us grow our business.
We have a total of 6 PerformArc systems, 3 of the PA 1100 SS, and 3 of the HW frames. We have seen anywhere from 25 to 40% of an increase in throughput with moving them to a robot cell versus hand weld.
We can do more with automation with less manpower.
With the PerformArcs, everything got faster, more efficient, less downtime for the robot, and more consistent programming.
I've watched our industry grow in production ever since we've had Miller Robotics. It increases output tremendously versus us hand welding all of ours, so we can focus on one aspect and let the robot take care of everything else.
But what we found with automation, there is more reliability in our process. We still need skill, talent, and ability from our welders. That will never go away here at the IFH Group, but automation can only enhance our business.
Robots can do it with greater efficiency, consistency, and they don't get tired and wore out.
Human interaction with automation is definitely needed. Somebody still has to build the tank, tack it together, and put it in the robot. And then the leak test at the end takes humans to plug it up, submerge it, validate it, and then move it on from there.
Miller's programming system and software is the most user-friendly software I've ever used. I've used several other robot manufacturer systems, and they just tend to be overly complicated, not very user-friendly. We would take multiple days sometimes to write a program, all depending on how big of a program it is. With the IntelliPath and DTPS offline programming, the process can all be done in a matter of hours. We have more arc on time with offline programming.
Every now and then when things need a tweak, human can step in and then the machine takes from there.
Safety is number one here at IFH, and as we've gotten to larger hydraulic and fuel tanks, by going to automation, we don't have to move our tanks around as much.
The headstock, tailstock rotates, so then you don't have a human flipping a tank back and forth to weld the other side. So the robot kind of takes care of all that. We went from having to flip a tank 3 or 4 times to weld every seam to the robot rotating it and the robot welding it.
Miller's support and training is next level. They don't just give you a box and drop it off. They make sure that you have the training to succeed with the PerformArc system.
Our relationship with Miller and our strategic vision of the IFH Group here is to grow. And we feel that growing our business with Miller is key.
Before we even placed a PO with them, we spent 2 or 3 days up there working with the team, got really familiar with the robot, and the guys liked the partnership, liked the hospitality that they showed, and that's why we went with Miller.